Hi, this is Ramachandran from onlinemathforall.com. In our website onlinemathforall.com, students can find video tutorials like this, which would be much useful for them to learn mathematics and also to prepare for competitive exams like GMAT, GRE, CAT, bank exams, and more. Okay, this video is about solving word problems on trigonometry. Here we are going to see how to solve word problems on trigonometry. We have a question on the board. Okay, let us go to the question that we have on the board. That is, a tree which is vertical has been broken by the wind. The top of the tree touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. If the top of the tree touches the ground 30 meter away from its foot, then find the actual height of the tree. Okay, when we look into this question, in total we find three information. So the first information is a tree which is vertical has been broken by the wind. So this is the first information. And the second information is the tree, since the tree has been broken by the wind, it touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. So this is the second information. Since the tree has been broken, so it falls down and touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay. Then the third information is the top of the tree, the point at which the tree touches the ground is 30 meter away from its foot. So these are the three information we have. From these three information we have to find the actual height of the tree. So the first point is, the first information is tree has been broken by the wind. Since the tree has been broken by the wind, so it touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. The third point is the top of the tree, the point at which the tree touches the ground is 30 meter away from the foot. So from these three information we just have to find the actual height of the tree. Okay students, now I'll show you how to solve this problem. Okay, whenever we want, please give me a moment. So first I assume let AB be the height of the tree. Okay, I assumed AB be the height of the tree. So now my aim is to get the value of AB. Get the length of AB. Okay, to solve this kind of problems, this kind of word problems in trigonometry, better we can draw picture for the given information. Because if we draw picture for the given information, easily we can understand the given information and easily we can get answer. Okay, I'll show you how to draw picture for this particular problem. Okay, now I have drawn a line in red color. I assume this is ground. Now I am going to draw the tree. Okay, the line I have drawn in green color, so is the tree. So since it represents tree, so the top is A and bottom of the tree is B. So AB is the height of the tree. Now I hope now the students will be clear about this. So AB, the line AB represents tree. Since the line AB represents tree, AB is the actual height of the tree. So now our aim is to get the length of AB. So because if we get the length of AB, so that is the actual height of the tree. Now let's come to the first information. So a tree which is vertical has been broken by the wind. So now the tree has been broken by the wind. Okay, let us assume the tree has been broken at some point between A and B. So I assume the tree has been broken at the point C between A and B. So say C here. Since the tree has been broken at the point C between A and B, so now we have two paths in the height of the tree. One is AC and other one is BC. So the complete height of the tree is covered by these two paths, AC and BC. So now we can write an equation, simple equation for the height of the tree, that is AB is equal to AC positive BC. Here the students may have a question. For what reason we had these two? Because AC and BC, so together generate the height of the tree. So if we join these two parts AC and BC, so that is the actual height of the tree. So AB is equal to AC positive BC. Okay, now this part has been broken. It comes down and touches the ground. Please give me a moment. So the tree has been broken and the top of the tree has come down and it touches the ground. I hope now the students can understand. So the part AC has come down because the tree has been broken at the point C, and at the point where the top of the tree touches the ground, it makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. So this angle will be 30 degree. And another one important point, that is third information. So the top of the tree which touches the ground 30 meter away from the foot. So B is the foot and A touches the ground. So this point A will be 30 meter away from B because that is the foot of the tree. So this length will be 30. And clearly the angle B is 90 degree because its vertical angle, it's 90 degree. So now we have triangle ABC, in which we have B is 90 degree and the length of AB is 30 and the angle A is 30 degree. Okay, so we'll proceed the same thing on the next page. So and students, you have to be clear in one point, that is now our aim is to get the length of AC and also to get the length of BC, because these are the two parts of the complete tree. So once we get the length of AC and BC, we have to add both, and we'll get the complete height of the tree. So that is AB. So now my aim is to get the length of AC and BC, the two sides of the triangle. Okay, I'll proceed the next step on the next page. First let me draw the triangle. So now we have triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is C, and I'm sorry, A, B, this is C, and this is 90 degree, and here 30 degree, and the length of AB is 30. So in any right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to the given angle 30 degree is called opposite side, and the name of the third side, that is AB, is adjacent side. So now it's very clear. So we know the length of adjacent side and we have to get the length of hypotenuse and opposite side. So to get, first let us try to get the length of opposite side from the known side, adjacent side. So for that, okay, students, be clear. Now we are going to we are trying to get the length of opposite side from the known side, adjacent side. So for that we have to use a trigonometric ratio in which we have the two sides, opposite side and adjacent side. So it's very clear. So the trigonometric ratio tan theta, in which we have the two sides, opposite side and adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. Okay, so here instead of theta, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this 30 degree. I'm going to substitute theta is equal to 30 degree. Here the students may have a question, for what reason we substitute theta is equal to 30 degree? Because in any right angle triangle, so the known angle is 90 degree, and apart from that we have two more angles in which one of the angles will be given. So that has to be considered for theta. If you use any trigonometric ratios like tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, so for theta you have to consider so one of the other two angles apart from the 90 degree. So in our problem, particularly in this triangle, so we have 90 degree at B. So apart from that we have two angles A and C, in which angle A is given 30 degree. So that is what we have to use for tan theta. So if I use, so I'll be getting tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side is BC by adjacent side is AB. And we all know the value of tan 30 degree is 1 over root 3. BC over, and we know the length of AB, that is 30. Now I am going to multiply 30 on both sides. So when I do so, 30 will get cancelled because my aim is to get the length of BC. So 30 over root 3 is equal to BC. So I'll proceed the next step on the next page. So now we got BC is equal to 30 over root 3. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write 30 is equal to 3 times 10, because 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 3 can be written as root 3 times root 3 times 10, because root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. So 30 can be written as root 3 times 10. So if I do so, BC is equal to root 3 times 10 over root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. So BC is equal to 10 root 3 meter. So this is the length we get for BC. So now my next aim is to get the length of AC from the triangle. So to get the length of AC, we have to use the adjacent side, because that is known side, because for that we know the length 30. So now we have to find the length of hypotenuse, that is AC, using the side adjacent. So for this we have to get a trigonometric ratio in which we have adjacent side and hypotenuse. So it's very clear, in the trigonometric ratio cos theta is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. So for theta we have to use the angle 30 degree, because that is what is given. So for adjacent side, the length for adjacent side we have AB, for hypotenuse we have AC, and we know the length of AB, that is and also we know the value of cos 30 degree. So that is root 3 over 2 is equal to the length of AB. Already we know that is 30 over AC. Now my aim is to get the length of AC. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply by 2 AC on both sides, because my aim is to get the value of AC. So when I multiply by 2 AC on both sides, here 2 will get cancelled, AC will get cancelled. So AC times root 3 equal to 2 times 30 will be 60 hours. So 30 times 2 can be kept as it is. Since my aim is to get the value of AC, I'm just going to divide by square root of 3 on both sides. So square root of 3 will get cancelled. So AC is equal to, for this 30, already I have told you that is 30 can be written as root 3 times 10. So that is what I am going to apply here. So root 3 times 10 times 2 over root 3. So here root 3 will get cancelled. So finally we get AC is equal to 20 times root 3, because we multiplied 2 and 10, 20 times root 3. So AC is equal to 2 times 10, 20 times root 3 meter. Students, I've already told you the actual height of the tree is AB, and AB is equal to sum of the two parts of the tree. So because the tree has been broken by the wind at the point C, since the tree has been broken by the wind at the point C, so we have two parts for the actual height of the tree. So the first part is AC, the second part is BC. So we got the length of both AC and BC. For AC we have 20 times root 3 positive. For BC we have 10 times root 3. So when we add these two, AB is equal to 20 root 3 positive 10 root 3, it will be 30 times root 3 meter. So actual height of the is tree is 30 root 3 meter. Okay, students, if you need the height of the tree accurately, you have to substitute value for root 3, that is 1.732, and it has to be multiplied by 30. So that can be done easily. Okay, actually I took almost 16 minutes to solve this problem. Since I was explaining step by step, and I wrote each and every step neatly, so it took bit more time for me to complete the problem. But when you have this kind of 4 problems of trigonometry in exams, you don't have to write each and every step like what I have written in this problem, because my aim is to make all the students to understand who are watching this video tutorial. So that is why I took a bit more time to complete this problem. But now I hope now you got idea how to solve this kind of word problems. So because without any explanation, without writing all those things, if I'm asked to occur this problem, I'll be able to complete this problem and get answer even in less than a minute. I can get answer for this kind of questions in trigonometry. Okay, students, I hope you'll be able to understand, and you'll be able to do this kind of word problems in trigonometry in competitive exams that you are going to face. For more videos like this, please visit www.onlinemathforall.com. Thank you.